Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable in-app rating and reviews on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on App Store. In here, swipe up to go down and tap on in-app ratings and reviews. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or switch it on. Now so that help developers and other users know what you think by letting apps ask for product feedback. So you can turn it on, and then the apps once see these settings turn on, it will ask you for product feedback. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.